The history of Munley Law begins with my father.
He was the first one in our entire family to ever go to law school.
My father would do the work, and my mother would take care of the rest so that my father could concentrate on the one thing that's the most important thing, and it's never changed here at Munley Law: client services.
Started with a criminal law practice because he had been an assistant district attorney, and then he transitioned the firm into a civil trial practice and representing people who have been injured through no fault of their own.
Since we took over the business, our case volume has gone up dramatically. It was a different type of practice when my father ran the business. It's a much bigger business now than it ever was. It's more of a national practice than just, say, a local practice as it was with my dad.
Munley Law is definitely a unique place. We are 5 siblings.
We have several lawyers that are litigators, and then several lawyers who handle cases in the pre-litigation phase of the case. And there's Munleys in both departments running everything. And so when we go out into the world to take on insurance companies and defense firms, they're not just taking on one of us, they're taking on all of us.
My father's philosophy was, if you're a lawyer, you go into a courtroom. And everybody has been branded with that. His philosophy was, I'll set the value for my case. If you won't give it to me, then I'll take it. And that's how we've continued to operate.
We handle every kind of case, from something that people might consider a smaller case all the way up to a multi-million-dollar case.
We have the most expertise and experience in trucking law cases, truck accident cases, a lot of experience in workers' compensation cases as well.
When you're trying to prepare for trial, there's only one way to do it, and that's wholehearted.
Our firm not only has the experience to handle cases of a catastrophic nature, but we also have the resources.
We contact our clients on a regular basis. Make sure that if someone hasn't been contacted in a while, in 2 weeks, we make sure we call them, update them, say, hey, listen, we're still thinking about you. This is what's going on with your case.
We're also keeping up with all of the changes in the law, not only the case law changes, but changes in how to present evidence, changes in how to present your client better in court.
Ultimately, you want to be the best because you're here working for people that wouldn't have a voice without you. People are completely confused and scared by the legal system, and they need you and your expertise to stand up for them.